What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to fix your Samsung remote control that is not working. So if the power button on your Samsung TV remote is not working, or some buttons on the remote control does not just work for reasons unknown to you, I am going to share with you some tips that might help you fix this remote control. But first things first, if the power button on your remote is not working, what you want to try and do is to try and turn on the Samsung TV using the power button on the body of the TV. If it turns on, then truly the problem is from the remote control. But if you try turning it on and it doesn't still turn on with the power button on the body of the smart TV, then there is a high chance that the problem is not actually from the remote control. So you want to go ahead and confirm that before even trying to fix the Samsung TV remote. Now, having said that, one of the common issues with most TV remotes is basically a rust in the battery area of the remote. Now, for you to check this, what you want to do is to turn at the back of the remote control, pull out the battery cover, and what you want to do is to basically remove the batteries. By the way, if your batteries are bad or it has been long that you change them, you want to make sure you change them too, because sometimes this battery actually drains so fast and you might just be thinking that they are good and they are not actually good for your remote control. Now, having said that, for you to check a rust in your remote control, what you want to do is to look at the springs that actually passes power from the batteries into the remote control. And if there is actually a rust in the springs here, then what it means is that power will not pass from the batteries to the remote control itself. So what you want to do is to basically get an iron, and what you want to do is to basically sharpen the rusting part of the irons here. And after doing that, you want to go ahead and insert your batteries again, like so. And after inserting the batteries, you want to go ahead and cover the battery pack like so. And then you want to try and control your Samsung TV with the remote control again. Trust me, if actually the problem is a rust in your remote control, then this will most likely solve it for you. Moving further, another way you can fix your Samsung remote control is to basically reset the remote control. Now, to do this, what you want to do is to go again and pull out the battery cover and the batteries of the remote control like so. And what you want to do basically is to hold and press on the power button for about 1 minute. Just hold and press it for about 1 minute. And what this does is to basically drain the power that is probably stored inside of the remote control and is stopping it from working properly. And it will also reset the remote control back to default. So after pressing this for about 1 minute, you want to go ahead and insert your batteries again, like so. But this time, before trying to control the TV with the remote control, you want to go ahead and pull out your TV from the wall socket and leave it for about 30 minutes. And you want to go back and plug it back to the wall socket. And after plugging it back to the wall socket, you can now come back to your remote control and try controlling the TV with the remote control again. Trust me, this works majority of the time because it is a common problem with most Samsung TV remotes. Finally, another issue that might be stopping your Samsung TV remote from working is where there is so much dust in the remote control. Now, for you to actually fix this, you want to go ahead and pull out the batteries in the remote control, like so. And what you want to do is to basically randomly press on all of the buttons in the remote control, like so. You want to do this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Just randomly press on the buttons. Make sure that all the buttons, you press them very well. And this will basically clear up dust that is probably stopping the remote from working. So you just want to go ahead and press it for about 1 to 2 minutes. And after doing that, you want to go ahead and insert your batteries. But before inserting the batteries, if there is actually dust inside of the battery pack, you want to go ahead and clean it up very well. And then if you have a dryer, you want to make sure that you pump in air inside of the remote control to actually clear up the dust if there is actually so much dust inside of the remote control. Now, after doing that, you want to go ahead and insert your batteries like so. And cover up the battery pack. And then you want to go ahead and control the TV using this remote control. Trust me, this works majority of the time because dust is one of the reasons why some of these technologies don't actually work sometimes. And by keeping your technologies away from doors, you might just be able to elongate its lifespan. So you want to make sure that your Samsung TV remote is free from doors, or else you will have to buy a new one. Now, finally, if any of these tips did not work out for you, which I believe it will definitely work out for 50% of the persons watching this video, then what you want to do is to basically get a new remote control. You want to make sure that the remote control you're getting actually fits with the model of your Samsung TV, and hopefully it is going to work out for you. But if this video was helpful, guys, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.